yo inse yo mawaziri ade ndwale omo CEO sha Nancy Mwangangi nigo yatwalire Egeikaro ne kiombe kia barimu gia Kenya Union of Post Primary Education Kuppet bakoragwa no muriki obo akelo misori no munyakerugo omboko milemba asaba kwa ni igoro yo gukora makongu aberega kwene kokura sensemo ya barimu asige karekyo nigo OKOIGWANA GWAIKERANIGWE AMANG'ANA AOAO bunakubwatia.
Any facility that will charge or ask a teacher to co-pay, you know the contractual obligations with the Social Health Authority, because not all facilities are contracted to serve teachers. You know the consequence. We will withdraw that and suspend that if we find you co-pay. I think the other issue was the capping. The reason why we did the capping, and that's why we are going to negotiation, and we are suspending for only 1 month. We are under obligation to protect public resources and teachers' benefits. We have incidents where teachers were charged claims worth 187,000 for outpatient, 150,000 for outpatient, 160,000 for outpatient. When we saw that, we realized there was fraud. And that is why, and we have shared the details with the leaders. And when the right time comes, we'll share with the country. I don't think today any hospital you go to, even Aga Khan or Nairobi or Kenyatta, that you can go for outpatient and your bill is 187,000. I mean, this is theft, this is fraud. So we are talking, that's why we are having a meeting, and we want to tell even teachers in their locations, please download Afya Yangu, protect your benefits. The money belongs to you. Facilities want to use your money because when they see you have 500,000 in your Afya Yangu, they get tempted, they become greedy, and they want to charge teachers more. So we want to work with the teachers. We want the teachers to be our whistleblowers. Please, when you go to facilities, if you feel even the facility, the equipments and what the service you are getting is not worth what you are paying for, please, you have structures. Talk to the local media, talk to the local people, your local structures. We want to have a clear healthcare system that is devoid of fraud.